How to use voice typing in Google Docs. First of all, open Google Docs in your browser by going to docs.google.com and open the document where you want to use voice typing. Make sure you have signed in and the document is ready for editing. Next, click on the Tools option in the top menu bar. From the drop-down list, select Voice Typing. A microphone icon will appear on the left side of your document. Now, click on the microphone icon and start speaking clearly. As you speak, your words will be automatically converted into text in real time. Make sure your microphone is working properly, and if prompted by the browser, allow microphone access. You can also use voice commands to add punctuation by saying terms like comma, period, question mark, or new paragraph. Speak naturally and pause wherever needed. To stop voice typing, simply click the microphone icon again. Once you are done, you can review and make any edits manually. Voice typing is a great way to work faster, especially if you prefer speaking over typing. And that's it. Now you know how to use voice typing in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.